everybody, welcome back to Adventures with David. Now we have ventured back inside of Knott's Berry Farm for some theme park updates, food, and fun. Man, there is so much. I was actually walking through around. There is so much to see. Now, I actually am going to be showcasing my top 3 best places to find yourself some awesome and incredible foods here at Knott's Berry Farm. So make sure you guys are subscribed because we have a lot more fun and zany adventures coming your way. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's definitely get this fun Knott's Berry Farm video started. Let's go. Now, to start this top 3 restaurants here at Knott's Berry Farm is right over here at the Boardwalk BBQ. Man, trust me, I've actually eaten there a few times actually, and it's so amazing. Their pulled pork, their 3 cheese mac and cheese, their pesto, and their barbecue is phenomenal. This is the one-stop place I actually come to. Man, you guys need to come out and definitely check out the Boardwalk BBQ. Definitely check out one of my videos. I'm going to link up in the very top. For one of the times I actually stopped by and ate here during the night. It was actually pretty cool. The pesto, mwah, chef's kiss. So now here at the Calico main stage, they do have this prepped up and ready to go for summer. Well, not ready to go, but it is getting prepped up for summer nights. If you guys don't know, it starts on May 20th. Not only is it ghost town alive during the day, but when the lights actually dim, summer nights hits. And man, let me tell you, I actually were checking this out last year, and it was phenomenal. I cannot wait until they bring that back this year. Oh, yes. Oh man, so I did most of my walkthrough around the park, and it was so great, so calming that there's actually nobody here. It's like Knott's empty farm, but I love it. That's the one thing I absolutely love about being at Knott's Berry Farm, is just being able to just come on out, enjoy it with your family and friends. If you guys aren't into any type of roller coasters, rides, it's good to just walk around and enjoy the sights and sometimes the smells. All right, so either they didn't actually break down the facade, but they kept actually this one right over here, right next to the Silver Bullet. But yeah, this is actually still here. So this booth, I don't know if it's going to be for food, it's going to be for attraction or something, but yeah, it's actually pretty cool that they actually kept this one here. So maybe this is going to be the front facade, the front look for one of the booths for summer nights. That's going to be pretty cool. All right, so another one off of the top 3 of my favorite restaurants is right over here at Camp Snoopy, right across from Sidewinder. Now, a Grizzly Creek Lodge, not only because of the fact that they have some chicken tender baskets that you can definitely get, or even the chicken sandwich. Now this is the place that the mad scientists do come during hunts or any fun event, because they do experiment with some crazy concoctions for some food that we definitely tried a lot of. And I'm gonna have those foodie adventure playlists right over there. Definitely check it out. So crazy. But it's so good. Like, it's concoctions that work. I love this place, and I'm hoping that they do have something for summer nights or something for the ghost town alive that they do have here. But yeah, you can definitely use your meal plan here or dining plan. All right guys, so why not eat at one of my favorite top 3 places? That's right, it is the Grizzly Creek Lodge. Now, we definitely tried his chicken tenders. But they do, trust me when I say this, I always call this the dining plan, but it's always a meal plan because look at the portions. All right, I got my barbecue sauce and my chicken tender, but let's just eat the chicken tender first. So yeah, it is a chicken tender in general. I mean, you're still gonna get the juices inside. It's still actually pretty juicy, but it is just still a chicken tender. But trust me when I say this, everything else on the Grizzly Creek menu is amazing, and whenever they have some crazy concoctions, they still do have the teriyaki burger, so that's a must try. But let's definitely try this with some barbecue sauce. So for that right there, it kicks it up a notch. That barbecue sauce was really, really good. And that actually kicked it up to, I would say that would be a 5 out of 6 with the barbecue sauce. But let me tell you, always, these fries are so crunchy. Every single time I come to the parks, their fries are like no other. They're pretty good. This is another must try. Dude, it is so nice just to be here at Knott's Berry Farm. You know, just thinking on what I want to do and bring to you guys for my channel and showcase, you know, the fun over here at Knott's Berry Farm. I've had such a phenomenal time bringing you guys along with me whenever I go on to, you know, Disneyland, to Knott's, to roadside attractions, which I do plan on actually bringing you guys along with me on another, you know, day for the roadside attractions. But yeah, I have come such a long way, and I cannot wait to actually, you know, hit that milestone of 1,000 subscribers. The fact is, I get to bring you along with me on all of my fun adventures, and I want to thank each and every single one of you guys for watching the videos, liking, subscribing. You know, if you guys want to buy any merch, I do have it down below in my description, so definitely check them out for your fun Adventurez shirts or Adventurez hats or stickers. Or if you guys actually see me walking around the park aimlessly, come on by and say hi or ask for a sticker. Very grateful for the amount of followers and the amount of people that support me. You guys are great. So another top place is me right over there at the Firemen Brigade. Oh man, that is Firemen Brigade barbecue. That is actually pretty cool. Now, make sure if you guys do want to choose that Firemen Brigade, you guys line up as soon as possible because that line can get extremely long. Now, their food is so good. They have a quarter-pound chicken with some pork ribs. You can definitely use your meal plan as well too, and it trust me, that thing fills you up pretty good. There he is. What's up, Mr. Whittles? How are you? Now there's no mystery, right, about Mr. Whittles?
No, not at all.
Man, we saw you at the Lucky Cuss mine back over there, at your major camp spot, and now here. So guys, if you guys want to come on out and say hi to Mr. Whittles and take a fun picture, come on by. Thanks, Mr. Whittles. One of the best parts about Knott's Berry Farm is when you walk through the intersection, you hear the ding part, and you're like, yes, we're gonna definitely check out the Calico Railroad. So, if you guys have been following along on all my fun adventures and updates here at the parks, they do have some more updates, which is going to be for where the pizza brewery is going to be at, the Boysen Brewery is going to be at, and the pizza pie factory. But they do have the commercial wrap around it, and I did see some construction workers walking around and going through. So they I think they are preparing for that thing to be completely opened up very, very soon. I hope I'm able to come out here for opening day of the pizza pie factory. That is going to be so good. That is something near and dear to my stomach, is pizza. I love pizza and burgers. Just a couple of updates I did see on the very front main stage. Well, for me, it's called the main stage right in front. Now, they did have the magicians there. They do have some live music where they start dancing around during the summer nights. The last time I was here, so yeah, that stage is getting prepped up, and it looks just like the ones that are going to be over at. It looks just like the ones that are going to be. That was right over there last year for like the magician. So the magician is pretty cool. Yes, it sounds like something, you know, it's a magician. No, he is really, really funny. So yes, as expected, they're still closed right now for Ghost Rider. So shut down, guys, for now. So popped right into the Peanuts headquarters. Now I filmed this before, but they actually have some new merchandise as well too, like those T-shirts that they have back over there. They have them in different colors. They have them in like 3-4 different colors, I believe. But look at this one. Oh, this is the squishable Snoopy. So hey, there you go. See, they sell a bunch of squishables around the park, but none like Snoopy. there's one thing that my dad actually liked was Snoopy, but in Joe Cool format. He used to have a ton of dad jokes as far as like Joe Cool. every single chance he can get, he would always have a Joe Cool joke for all of us. But look at that, they have some. Look at that, it's so cool. They have a little bucket hats, and what I think it's pretty cool. Not only does it say Knott's Berry Farm, but look, it literally says now Cedar Fair. That's actually pretty cool. And even right here, they have the Joe Cool shorts as well too. But I think they're like almost compression shorts, so you're able to work out in. So it's like a workout gear that they actually do have here. But look at this. This is Snoopy out of this world hat. This is actually pretty cool. Oh, look at this. It's Camp Snoopy. Snoopy. I love this. He's an adventurer ready to go for a fun adventure. You guys can have the adventure Snoopy. What I want is Red Baron Snoopy. This is awesome. He has a little stash right there. Man, he is totally ready for a fun adventure. Okay, so this is odd for me in a sense. Usually, the most part, it'll say Legos, but these right here are called Line News. So all of these that you can definitely get these boxes for are called Line News. Huh, interesting. Wonder why. I think it's a different variations of a Lego, but yeah, they're called Line News. Oh, the Red Baron. Oh man, that is so cool. Look at Snoopy and his little cape. Oh man, these are actually pretty awesome. So you guys do love the the Snoopy brand. There you go. They have Jungle Adventures here. They have Everyday Fun. They even have sports. They have Beagle Scouts. There's a lot. So yeah, guess come out on here and check them out. And hey, don't worry if you actually do come to the Soak City when it opens. Don't worry, they have some swimsuits here that you can definitely get. They have some of the lotions here for your sunscreen lotion. They got some towels here. So yeah, it's a one-stop shop for your Soak City needs. Well, you can actually go inside Soak City and actually get whatever you like there. But if you don't want to actually stand in those lines when it's really, really hot, it's nice and cool here. You can just find what you like here and go into Soak City. And look at, they actually moved over all the Not Spooky Farm stuff is back over on that side now. Actually paved way for all of the Boysenberry merchandise here. So if you do want to come on by, I do have the Boysenberry merchandise from the shirts to your shopping list to your, cute little, look at this. Come on, how can you look at this? Commemorative Knott's Boysenberry Snoopy. Now this one actually is pretty cool. This one's my favorite now. Not the squishable one anymore. This one is. So weird though. Like, I was kind of thinking about it when I first walked over here, and I'm like, wait a minute. Wasn't there a lot of buzz and a lot of, speculations regarding the Knott's Giga coaster? Well, I did that video back over in, I think it's January. And from then on, I've been trying to do some research recently. And most of the information I got was back over in January and February. What happened? Like, it just kind of fell out of the universe in general of what happened. So I'm going to be digging in and getting more, trying to find some more information and research regarding that. Because, that way you guys can have that updated information on what's going on. Alright guys, that is it for today's awesome adventure right over here at Knott's Berry Farm for some theme park updates as well as some food. I had such a great time walking around, just enjoying the sights, the smells, and just, being here is like Knott's empty farm. I had such a great time here. Now, if you guys love this awesome adventure, make sure you guys give it a Knott's Berry Farm thumbs up. If you guys like the content I bring to you guys, make sure you guys are subscribed because we have a lot more fun and zany adventures coming your way. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.